Ciao Luis, buongiorno.
Hey champion.
All okay?
How are you, man? Sta bene, tu?
Tutto a posto, tutto bene. Allora, this one arrive red. When it's red, you have 500-600 RPM to change the gear. I make some simulator at the Mercedes.
Yeah. How was it?
I enjoy.
Yeah.
It was very good. I'm very nervous for try the car and also for make some lap together with Lewis with the bike. I think that we will enjoy. The weather is good, so we are ready.
Much different. It's so awesome to see a legend get into the car, and just I'm excited for him for the discovery, you know, discovering the car for the first time, and reminds me of my first time when I first drove a Formula 1 car, even though he's driven a Formula 1 car already before, but when you see all the people around you and it's just a different animal, you know, it's really cool.
It's difficult because you don't see very much. So at the beginning is difficult. After some lap, you start to understand better.
Yeah.
But at the beginning, you're like don't see
Very
nothing.
low.
Yeah. You like? Yeah.
Yeah, but it's the wind is really difficult through 13. It's gone the whole way.
Yeah.
Is that the wind? I think it's the wind.
Yeah. Wind. Also, exit from the first corner to the second corner.
Front goes
like
to the
this.
right. Yeah.
I mean, they have a huge respect for each other. I think that's great, and obviously they are really icons of their sport, and they're totally passionate about what they do, both of them. And so it's great when they're engaging, you know, whether it be about the car or about the bike, you know, it's super that they can transfer some of their knowledge, you know, to the other one, and the techniques of driving the car and bike are so different, but obviously the skill, the human skill set of being able to deal with racing and speed and lines and reaction and so forth is common, so it's fantastic to watch.
Thank you so much, dude. That was perfect. That was awesome for you, man. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much, man.
No, it's
I
a
really
great
appreciate
pleasure.
it. It was such an honor to be out there with you.
When we have another 2 or 3 laps later, we can do.
Yeah, it's so cool to just see the legend ahead of me. So cool.
I think both of these guys have an idea in head of what they should be able to achieve. They're both on target for hitting that right now. In Lewis's case, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because the reality is you need a rider out there with you a lot of the time to show you where you are. In the case of Valentino, I can see what he's trying to do every time, and I'm sure he'll be very satisfied with it. And with Lewis, I'm incredibly proud of what he's doing on that bike right now.